I have a couple of topics about enzymes. I like to organize them a bit. I have a node with enzyme kinetics, and I want to show a little bit of drag and drop. Say, I like to put this enzyme as a diffusion limited enzyme. I want to drop this topic onto this node, so I have it part of this node. So I'll do it. I'll grab this leaf and drag it to enzyme kinetics. I can do the same with enzyme unit and maybe turnover number. And drag and drop makes it easy to do the opposite. So I could, for example, make things that I like them all. Maybe receptor antagonist. I'll take receptor antagonist and drag it somewhere here. And if you look closely, you can see I can put it after desmoplasia or before perisynaptic Schwann cells. It may seem like it makes no sense because there's no difference, but if you go here, you can see I put it before invasive carcinoma or after cell division as the last child. So I could drop it or just add as the last child, or maybe wait a little bit, maybe to auto expand. Yes, and now I could drag it somewhere in here. Or like that. A bit tricky. If I have more complex drag and drop between different branches of the tree, I'm going to open another contents window. Here, I can drag between two windows. It's like enzyme assay. I'll drag it to enzyme kinetics. I might be also reading an article, and if I want to move it to a specific place in the tree, I can do the following. Edit, move, or Shift Control V. So I'll do Shift Control V, and the contents window, I'll choose enzyme kinetics and accept. Well, let's try enzyme assay as well. Control Shift V and move to enzyme kinetics. Accept. Or maybe turnover number is already there. Non-competitive inhibition. Competitive inhibition. Control Shift V. And double click. Okay. I can also use the browser. Say I want to view this branch in the browser. And in the browser I can use move to a branch. And I could move to a new location, say. And accept. I don't want to mess up my tree, so I'm not doing this. If I click accept, my branch will all land here. If I had a concept about enzymes, I will even use the parameters window, Control Shift B, and I could just type my enzyme group. I don't have enzymes group, I have advanced English, but obviously I don't want to move that. Once I'm done organizing the tree, I can take my branch and then perhaps prioritize competitive inhibition. So the antagonist, maybe that will go to the beginning. Perhaps start with Michaelis Manson, and then Lineweaver-Burke plot. Better. Some diffusion and competitive mixed. And I have a nicely organized. This one is already nicely processed, therefore it doesn't need any organization. So my all node on enzyme kinetics is pretty neat now, like I wanted to have. Here I have a case where I want to use multi-select with drag and drop. I have a little calendar which I have it organized chronologically. Here I have in the month of February. I want to drag all those leaves to February. So I'll mark them. I press Control and I'll keep clicking, keep clicking, keep clicking. That's my selection. That's up to February 20th. Let's save some time and let's just show it. So now I grab the leaf and drag and drop it all to February 2005. Let's see. Yeah, very nice.